Welcome to the Blackboard page for your biology class. This class is using Blackboard Ultra, which is a new system for me. It may be for some of you as well. You'll start your course here under Course Overview. Welcome. This is just what you'll learn in the course. This is information about me. For example, where what my email is and my phone number. You're welcome to call the number. You'll probably have to leave a message, but if you leave your number, I'll get back to you. There I am, and there's my office hours at the bottom. Click this X to make it disappear, and we get to the course description. The course description gives you the class schedule. So we've got a lot of different things we're doing. These are reading assignments that they will each be due before class. And then we have homework assignments that are due after class. Here we have the course syllabus. You'll need to look through this syllabus carefully. You will receive a copy of this in class, but if you lose your copy, there's another one right here. This is aids on using Blackboard Ultra, accommodations, academic resources, Blackboard apps, technology and troubleshooting. This is if you have trouble getting into your system. This is just etiquette. And at the very bottom is this important syllabus quiz. You need to take the syllabus quiz before Friday, because if you don't, you'll be dropped from the class. It's a 2-question quiz that just basically asks that you have read the syllabus and you agree to the healthy requirements that we have because of COVID. Okay, now this looks pretty blank, so you're probably wondering, where is my class? Well, you're going to find your class under Books and Tools. If we click here, you'll see the McGraw-Hill Connect button. If you click this button, you'll go to this site here. And in each of these, I have them open and close them here, you have a bunch of different chapters. In each chapter, you'll find your reading assignments. Remember, those are due before class. You'll find your homework assignments that you do after class, and you'll see under each section there's a review. The review is not for points, it's just to review if you want to use that to study for exams, to keep up with the class. But it is just a review, no credit. You're probably wondering if you have a reading assignment where your book is. Your book is here. It's got the little picture of a tiger on it. And I have no problem if you all want to work ahead on any of the assignments. Most of these will be open as soon as class begins, and you can work ahead, no problem. You can't take the exams ahead, and you may not work behind. I don't give credit for work turned in late. So make sure you keep on top of all these little assignments. And I will see you in class.